Sanjay love anything when they party. You know he will be front and center when the sector opens up, don't it?
That is very true. He'll probably release a song about it. But before he does that, let's get into the Intense 5. Crocs and heels. Why? Balenciaga teamed up with Crocs to make these new high heels. I don't know why, but I can only imagine the cost. The shoe releases in 2022. This, I have to see.
It's $800 and apparently it was like sold out. Like it's the pre-orders.
Pre-orders, yeah. That's crazy.
Madness. So it seems as if the French president isn't liked by everyone. He was on tour in a particular area and went to greet his fellow countrymen when one man gave him something he didn't see coming. A huge slap across his face. Security jumped in, but I'm sure Macron is still feeling it.
Whew. Ja. Rick's Cafe is open for business. This following the closure of the popular tourist spot after it breached their entertainment license last weekend with Mocha Fest.
Actually, we're at Mocha Fest?
Me? Yeah. Definitely not. Locals were not allowed, girl. Did you not see that? They asked if locals can attend and they said locals cannot attend.
Party!
Wow, I can't believe. Party are keeping in my country and me can't go.
Nope, not allowed. Reggae King's latest single, Plead My Cause, isn't a gospel song, but it's kinda close to one. The DJ quoted a few Bible verses in there and speaks a bit on the guidance he has received from God. The DJ is currently in the US seeking treatment for injuries received in an apparent attempt on his life last year.
Wow.
Yeah.
And finally holding the spot. All Spice wants to do is focus on our Godong competition. But you guys keep asking why she and Shensia have yet to do a collab. Well, the Queen answered, and she was very plain and straight in her response.
Aggravate me sometimes for every time I do something on under my page, I comment and I call people name and I say this and I say that. And that me depend a different something. Every day me depend my page, when you tired to see me though, be go down there, that me a pre.
Oh boy, let's just all get along now. Good grief.
Yeah.
That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more entertainment stories. Up next, does Bryca have the next big hit? You be the judge. We soon come.